Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Now, in previous class we had studied a topic that is symbol of some electrical components, okay? And electrical circuit, what is electric circuit, okay? But now in this class we are going to start new topic, that is what? That is a circuit diagram. How this circuit diagram form and what is the electrical components or symbols which is used in this electric diagram, okay? Let's see here. First we know that what is electric or circuit diagram. Circuit diagram. A circuit diagram, first to write down a diagram which shows the various which shows the arrangement of various component in an electric circuit. Electric circuit with the help of their symbols with the help of their symbols is called circuit diagram. Okay, a diagram which shows the arrangement of various components in an electric circuit with the help of their symbols is called circuit diagrams. Okay, in which what? A diagram which shows the arrangement of various components in an electrical circuit with the help of symbols. With the help of symbols is called electric circuit diagram. There are two types of circuit diagram. First one is closed and second one is open. Means a situation in which one circuit diagram the current is flowing and the second one the current is not flow. Okay, let's see here open and closed circuit diagram. First we understand how the circuit diagram form. Suppose this is a conducting wire. Okay. Okay, first all of you see here. There are two types circuit diagram. First one is closed circuit diagram and second one is open circuit diagram. What you see here, what is closed and what is open? Simply the closed and open is by only the key. Key means switch. This is a switch. If switch is on, means switch is closed. Switch is closed, then in that conducting wire or in that circuit diagram, the current is flow. Okay, because circuit is complete. So this is known as closed circuit diagram. And here same, this circuit diagram contains cell, key, bulb, conducting wire, but there the key is what? Here the key is open. Open means the circuit is what? Open, and in this circuit the current does not flow because here the circuit is break due to this switch, means switch is off. If switch is off means switch is open, then in this case what? The current does not flow in the circuit. Clear? And the bulb does not glow, and here the bulb is glow. Means if circuit is complete and the current is flowing in the circuit, then that is a closed circuit diagram. If the circuit is incomplete and where in anywhere there is a breakage or key or switch is open, then in that case the circuit is open circuit diagram. Okay, this shows open circuit diagram. This is a closed circuit diagram. Clear? Okay, all of you make this board diagram. Okay, I hope you did it. So we will start new topic. Okay, next topic is the next topic is electric switch. Electric switch. Okay, write down. Electric switch. Simply, what we say that switch switch is a device. It is a device which makes or breaks the circuit. Which makes or breaks circuit. How? If switch is open. If switch is open, in that case what? Circuit is break by the help of switch. In that condition, in that circuit, there is no current is flowing. Okay? Because circuit is break with the help of switch. If switch is on, then what happened? Means switch is closed, then circuit is complete and the current is flowing in that circuit. Clear? So we can say that switch is a device which can makes or breaks the circuit. Clear all of you? Okay. Write down. See here. Okay. It is a device which makes or breaks the circuit. Clear? In market, there are so many types of switches are there. There are so many types of switches are there. Okay, and every switch has same function. Simply what it makes or breaks the circuit. Clear? Means it can switch on and it can switch off. Clear? The on-off mechanism of any electrical circuit is controlled by what? Is controlled by switch. Is controlled by switch. When the switch is in off position, the circuit is open. When the switch is in off position, the circuit is open. And in that condition, the current is not flowing in the circuit. Clear? In that situation, the current is not flowing in that circuit because switch is off. Means circuit is open. If switch is on, then what happen? Means circuit is closed. In that condition, current is flowing and the bulb on any equipment will starts glowing or it starts working. Clear? Okay. Let's some do some experiment or do some activity here. Not here. You also do at your home with the help of battery and a torch bulb and with the help of paper clip and pin. Okay, how to do in your home you see here. Okay, but you use only battery, small battery. Okay, which is between 1.5 volt to 6 volt. Okay, clear? Not by the electrical components, or sorry, not by the electricity, not by the electricity. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का यूज़ करके आप ये एक्टिविटी नहीं करेंगे. अगर आपको करना है एक्टिविटी तो यू हैव टू डू यूज ओनली सेल. ठीक? ओके. Let's how to do this activity. First, in this activity, what? To make a simple switch activity. To make a simple switch, and so its use in circuit. Use in circuit. Okay, to make a simple switch and so it's used in a circuit. How this circuit is used? So how what we have required to do this activity? First one is material required, means instrument, the equipment which is required to do this activity is what? First one is any cardboard. Any cardboard. Okay, sheet. Any cardboard sheet. Okay. Second one is drawing pen. Drawing pen. paper clip, paper clip and connecting wires, okay, and cell, connecting wires and cell, okay. Only we have to see here how this experiment, how this activity is give the result and how to do this activity, okay, and how to arrange these materials, okay, and to form the circuit. Let's see here. Suppose we have take this cardboard, okay. Suppose this is your cardboard. This is your cardboard, okay. And in this cardboard or on this cardboard, not on this cardboard, we have to place what? First we connect with help of connecting wire. What? Battery. Suppose this is your battery. Okay, this is cell, and with the help of this cell, what we have to do? Take connecting wire and connect here. Okay, take a connecting wire and connect the positive terminal of battery and connect in what? Take a paper pin and pin on the cardboard, okay, insert in the cardboard and connect this wire with this paper pin. This is paper pin, okay. And by the help of other paper pin we have again insert here another paper pin, and through this paper pin we have connect a paper clip, paper clip. This is paper clip, okay. And through this paper pin again connect a wire with the help of connect this wire through the electric bulb, through the electric bulb, okay, through this electric bulb, and next end of the bulb is connected to the what? This battery, okay. Next another end of battery. What happened in this condition? This circuit is what? Circuit is open. Circuit is open because this is the switch. This is a switch by the which is made by the help of paper clip. Okay. If we connect this switch with this paper pin or touch the paper clip with through this paper pin to this paper pin, then what happened? If we connect paper clip to this weapon, then your circuit is complete. Your circuit is complete, and in this condition, what? This bulb is glow. This bulb is start glowing. Okay? Clear? When circuit is open. Understood? Okay. You have to make this circuit diagram at your home. Okay? And only you use, if you want to do this activity, then you have to use only cell, not electricity. Okay, you have to do use only this electrical cell for to do this activity, only for checking what, how to, what is the off and on mechanism of switch. Clear? Okay. Okay, now I love this. And there is a question, some questions are there. First question, which is based on this topics. There is the oral question which is given on the page number 181. Okay, and first question is, which part of the bulb glows when current is passed through it? Simply, your answer first is, when which part of bulb is glow? Simply what? Electrical bulb filament. Bulb filament is glow. Bulb filament. Answer first. And answer second. What is the circuit in which electricity flows called? What is the circuit in which electricity flows called? What is the circuit in which electricity flows called? Simply, if electricity is flows in the circuit, it means the circuit is what? Circuit is closed. Means circuit is on. Closed circuit. Closed circuit. And third one is what? What is the device that makes or breaks? Simply makes or breaks? Electric switch. Electric switch. Okay. Now answer 4 is what? Would a bulb with the broken filament glow when placed in a circuit? No. Your answer is no, because if the bulb is broken, filament of bulb is broken, then what happened? The circuit is incomplete, and in that condition the bulb is not glowing. Now next answer. Under what voltage does the torch bulb operate? In previous class we had discussed what? Under what condition, means on which voltage the electric bulb works. That is what? You remember this? Okay? That is 1.5 volt to 6 volt. Okay, on this voltage 1.5 volt to 6 voltage, on this voltage the torch bulb works. Okay, clear? Okay, class, you have to do this exercise on your book and revise the topics which are discussed today and before today. Okay, so in next class we are going to start what is the inner structure of torch. Okay, thank you to everyone.